Piranhas are among the most famous freshwater fish in the world, known for their sharp teeth and a reputation for ferocity. These remarkable fish inhabit the rivers and lakes of South America, particularly the Amazon basin, and have been the subject of many myths and legends. Despite their fearsome image, piranhas are complex creatures with fascinating behaviors and ecological roles. Piranhas are typically small to medium-sized fish, ranging from 13 to 35 centimeters in length, although some species can grow larger. They have a robust and laterally compressed body, which is well suited for swift movements in water. Their most distinctive feature is their sharp, triangular teeth, which are tightly packed and interlocking, enabling them to shear through flesh efficiently. These teeth are continuously replaced throughout their lives, ensuring they remain effective predators. The coloration of piranhas varies by species. For example, the red-bellied piranha is known for its silvery body with a reddish belly, especially pronounced in males during the breeding season. The black piranha, on the other hand, has a more uniform dark coloration, which helps it blend into the murky waters of the Amazon. Piranhas have highly developed sensory systems that aid in hunting and avoiding predators. They have excellent vision, which is crucial in the often turbid waters they inhabit. Their olfactory senses are also highly acute, allowing them to detect blood and other chemical cues in the water from significant distances. This keen sense of smell is one of the reasons they are so effective at locating prey. Behavior and feeding habits: piranhas are primarily known as opportunistic carnivores, but their diet is more varied than commonly perceived. While they do feed on fish, they also consume insects, crustaceans, worms, and plant material. Some species are even considered omnivorous. Piranhas are often thought of as frenzied attackers, but this behavior is not their norm. They usually hunt alone or in small groups and employ a stealthy approach to capture prey. The infamous feeding frenzies, where large groups of piranhas rapidly devour large animals, are rare and usually occur only under specific conditions, such as extreme hunger or when the water levels drop significantly during the dry season, concentrating prey. During a feeding frenzy, piranhas can strip their prey to the bone within minutes, a spectacle that has contributed to their fearsome reputation. However, such events are not indicative of their regular feeding behavior, which is more calculated and less chaotic. Piranhas exhibit various social behaviors, particularly in terms of shoaling. Shoaling provides several benefits, including enhanced protection from predators and increased efficiency in locating food. Some species form large schools, which can be a defensive strategy rather than a hunting tactic. Within these schools, there can be a hierarchy based on size and aggression, with larger individuals dominating smaller ones. Piranhas also communicate through sounds. They produce different noises, such as grunts and clicks, which are believed to play roles in social interactions, such as establishing dominance or signaling distress. Piranhas play a vital role in their ecosystems as both predators and prey. As predators, they help control the populations of other fish and invertebrates, contributing to the ecological balance of their habitats. They are also scavengers, consuming dead and dying animals, which helps to recycle nutrients and maintain water quality. Despite their reputation, piranhas are not at the top of the food chain. They have several natural predators, including larger fish, birds, reptiles, and mammals. Young piranhas are especially vulnerable to predation, and many do not survive to adulthood. Human activities also pose significant threats to piranha populations. Habitat destruction, pollution, and overfishing are major concerns. While piranhas are not typically targeted for commercial fishing, they are often caught as bycatch. Additionally, the exotic pet trade has led to the introduction of piranhas into non-native waters, where they can disrupt local ecosystems. The perception of piranhas as ferocious man-eaters has been shaped by a combination of myths, exaggerated stories, and sensationalized media portrayals. This reputation can be traced back to early explorers and naturalists, such as Theodore Roosevelt, who wrote about their aggressiveness after an encounter during his expedition to the Amazon. In contrast to the often sensationalized Western view, many indigenous cultures in the Amazon basin have a more nuanced understanding of piranhas. They recognize the ecological importance of these fish and have developed various ways to coexist with them. Piranhas are also a source of food for some indigenous communities. They are caught using traditional fishing methods and prepared in various ways, including grilling and making soups. Piranha teeth are used by some indigenous groups as tools and weapons. Their sharpness and durability make them ideal for crafting cutting implements, such as knives and arrowheads. Piranhas are remarkable creatures that have captivated the human imagination for centuries. While they are often portrayed as mindless killers, the reality is far more complex. Piranhas are skilled hunters with sophisticated social behaviors and an important role in their ecosystems. By appreciating their true nature and the ecological balance they help maintain, we can move beyond the myths and better understand and protect these fascinating fish.